How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, simply head over to your chat section. And from here, simply tap on your note. Now, once you do that, simply tap on share with followers you follow back. And from here, simply choose share with close friends. Now go ahead and choose someone that you like your notes to get shown. And once you are done, simply tap on done. And with that, you'll then be able to hide note from someone on Instagram. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.